Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Today we're diving into the world of AI apps. You know, those apps that seem to think for themselves? They're changing the game, and guess what? You can build one too. It might sound intimidating, but trust me, building an AI app is like assembling a tech puzzle. It's challenging, rewarding, and a whole lot of fun. Plus, imagine telling your friends, yeah, I built that AI app. Pretty cool, right? Whether you're a coding newbie or a tech whiz, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to conquer the AI app world. So, are you ready to unleash your inner tech innovator? Let's get started. In simple terms, AI apps are like apps on steroids. We're talking apps that leverage artificial intelligence to do some pretty amazing things. Think about apps that can understand your voice commands, recognize faces in photos, or even predict your next move based on your habits. Take Spotify, for example. It uses AI to curate personalized playlists based on your music taste. Or how about Netflix? It recommends shows and movies you might enjoy based on your viewing history. These are just a few examples of how AI apps are seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. Before we start building, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you won't need a lab coat for this. First up, you'll need a basic understanding of programming languages like Python. It's like the language your AI app will understand. Next, get acquainted with AI frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These frameworks provide the building blocks for your AI models. Lastly, you'll need data. Lots of it. AI models learn from data, so the more data you feed them, the smarter they become. Think of it like training a puppy. The more you train it, the better it behaves. Section 4. Building your AI app step by step. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. First, you need to define the problem your AI app will solve. Think about real-world problems that can be addressed using AI. Maybe you want to build an app that translates languages in real time or an app that identifies different species of plants. Once you have your problem, it's time to gather and prepare your data. This step is crucial because the quality of your data will directly impact the performance of your AI model. Think of it like this: you wouldn't feed your puppy unhealthy food, would you? Next, choose your AI model. There are various pre-trained models available, or you can create your own. Think of it like choosing the right breed of dog for your lifestyle. Once you have your model, it's time to train it using your data. Finally, integrate your trained AI model into your app. This is where your coding skills come in handy. Think of it like building a doghouse for your trained puppy. Section 5. AI App Mastery. Tips and Tricks. Building an AI app is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Start with simple projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Remember, the AI community is vast and always willing to help. There are tons of online resources, tutorials, and communities where you can find support and guidance. So, don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help. Building an AI app is an incredibly rewarding experience. It's a chance to unleash your creativity, solve real-world problems, and shape the future of technology. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and build something amazing!